Hi Cancer! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. You can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placement so you can get the most of your reading. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and please tap the bell for notification from this channel. All my readings are timeless. Pwede kayong maging bukas sa mga messages anytime you come across this video. There is no time in spirit. I'm doing readings for all signs every week for love and guidance. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Cancer. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you. Cancer. Entrepreneur. Okay? Nag-iisip kayo ng pagnenegosyo. Okay? Nag-iisip kayo ng mga anong pwede inegosyo. Okay? Mga paraan para magkaroon ng extra income. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you will be quitting your job to focus on your business. Interview. Yeah. Meron interview na mangyayari. Okay? Interview of suppliers. Okay? Yeah. For some, mga naghahanap ng trabaho, okay? You will be called for an interview. You are shortlisted. Creativity. Yes. Kailangan ang inyong creativity, okay? Nag-iisip kayo, okay, about branding or promoting your product or your business. Okay? Gumagawa kayo ng paraan, naghahanap ng paraan. Okay, you are being creative. May mga bright ideas kayong naiisip that will lead you to success. Huge decisions. Yes. Meron kayong desisyon na kailangan gawin. For some, it's going to be a complex decision. Okay? A significant decision, importante na decision na kailangan ninyong gawin. Okay? Pwede sa trabaho or sa business. Okay? Yeah. You are going to make a change in your life. Loan approved. Yeah. For some of you, nag-iisip, mag-a-apply ng loan sa bank. Okay? And you will get the favor. You will receive the loan. You will be granted. Yes, that's for some of you. Cancer. Let's see ano pa yung mga additional messages for Cancer, please. Cancer. But take care. Enemies are working against you. Okay, that is for some of you. Okay. Be cautious sa mga tao na nasa paligid ninyo. Okay. Hindi lahat ay trusted. Cancer. Merong mga tao na hindi sincere sa inyo. Mga kalaban. Okay. Enemies. So, mag-ingat. Be aware of that. Wishbone. A wish is granted. Okay. A wish is granted for you. Cancer. Maybe bagong trabaho, bagong negosyo, bagong project, okay? Elevation sa work, new title, new position. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Merong pabor ka na matatanggap. Cancer, man, dealings or relationship with a man. For some of you, meron kayong concerns or issues with a man in a relationship, okay? Yeah, dealings or relationship. Yeah, for some of you, a boss, a supervisor, a manager, okay? Fair woman, dealings or relationship with a woman with blonde, gray, or white hair, okay? Yeah, for some of you, makikipag-usap, merong negotiation or dealings with a fair woman. Yeah. So, may mga taong involved in your situation right now. Maybe sa bago ninyong trabaho. Okay? Mga boss. Ito yung mga boss nyo. Or mga importante na tao sa life nyo. Shark. Take care of there will be a loss of material wealth. So, protect your wealth. Okay? Ingatan ang inyong mga valuables. Cancer. Okay? Be aware of that. Whale. Great worry over nothing. For some of you, you are worrying over nothing. Mga unnecessary things or yung mga bagay na hindi pa nangyayari. Nag-worry na kayo. Okay? You are anticipating negative things. Okay? So, may mga negative thoughts. So, be aware of that. Cancer. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga energies, gabay, messages para sa inyo for Cancer. Cancer, please. Anong meron for Cancer? Gabay, messages, energies for Cancer. Okay. Cancer. Cancer. Page of Pentacles, okay? Bagong opportunity. May good news about financial matters. Yung iba sa inyo mag-uumpisa sa work, meron kayong pinag-aaralan, okay? A challenging one also, a new challenge sa work mo to or sa kaperahan, okay? Yes, for some of you, there is good news about your finances. Bagong pagkakakitaan. May mga bright ideas kayo, okay? Kung paano ma-improve ang inyong kaperahan. Yeah. Merong opportunities sa darating. Okay? You will be very happy. You will be proud of yourself. Yeah. Yung mga concerns mo, mawawala. Okay? Concerns in relationship, concerns in your money or in your work, that will fade away. Yeah. Yeah, you will be favored. Okay, for some of you na nag-a-apply sa trabaho, you will be receiving or you will be accepting. You will be accepted, in a company. Okay, yeah, you will be hired. You will get the attention ng isang boss or decision maker. Okay, you will be given the favor, makakatanggap ka ng pabor sa isang tao na may kakayahan to decide or to give you that opportunity. Okay? You will be very happy, may kasiyahan. Yung mga concerns mo will fade away. Okay? You feel that you are on the right path. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, you have to consider carefully, okay, before doing something. Okay? May mga kailangan ka pang alamin na mga information. Yeah. Know everything about the company, the job, kung ano yung mga ino-offer sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. This is meant for you. Okay? A new day for you, Cancer. Okay? Embrace the change. Mayroong pagbabago na mangyayari sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. Expect things to get better now in your situation. This is meant to happen. For some of you, you are recovering from pains, hurts, frustrations, okay, disappointments, okay, may mga backstabbing, you are recovering from that. Yeah. Okay. Seven of Pentacles. Improvement. Okay. You need, for some of you, you need to take a pause. Give it time. Okay? Para mag-improve ang sitwasyon. Okay? Relationship man to. Maybe you are waiting on something or someone. Okay? You are looking for some improvement and signs. Work, money, finances. Okay? Give it some time to grow. Yeah. For some of you are thinking about the ways, mga ways, no? Mga paraan kung paano mag-improve ang inyong gagawin or inyong ginagawa. Okay? So, balance your emotions and your isip, no? So, emotional and mental stability, balance. Okay? Kung gagawa ka ng isang desisyon, be firm. Yeah, for some of you, you are waiting on this someone, an air sign. Okay? You are waiting for a decision. Yeah. Page of Wands. You are looking forward to receive a phone calls or a message. Okay? Something na makapagpasaya sa inyo. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo when it comes sa creative works or sa career, sa trabaho, you are looking forward for something better. Okay? Yeah, may mga plans kayo, may mga ideas kayong naisip about sa trabaho ninyo. Yeah, you are looking forward to grow in your career, in your work. Mga new exciting endeavors na mangyayari sa inyo. Cancer. Okay? Yeah. For some, naglilinger pa rin sa inyo yung kalungkutan and sadness. Okay? You feel that you are missing an opportunity. Yeah. If you are dealing, kung meron kayong mga problema o concerns about sa relationship nyo, okay? You need to heal. Yeah. Sorrows, disappointments. You are not seeing the positive in a situation, crying over spilled milk. Okay? Yeah. You have to have a willpower and discipline, self-discipline sa sarili mo, okay? You need to be strong, okay? There will be victory in your endeavor. You have to be motivated and ambitious, okay? Sa work mo, sa career mo, project man to, okay? Trabaho, business, okay? You will be achieving something na importante, okay, sa life mo, despite dito sa disappointment or sorrow na inyong nararamdaman, okay, let go, Cancer, of this one. Paano man nagpapalungkot sa inyo, okay, be motivated. Marami ka pang mararating, Cancer, okay. You need to be confident, okay? Kailangan mo rin ng disiplina sa sarili mo. Ano talaga yung gusto mo? You need to be goal-oriented at the same time because merong success and victory na mangyayari sa inyo. For some of you, merong travel na mangyayari, okay? Yeah. Yeah. For some of you, yung iba sa inyo, you will be recognized sa trabaho, sa inyong galing, sa pagiging creative mo. Okay? Because of your originality. take the lead of your life, Cancer, and be strong. Yeah. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you are still contemplating sa isang relasyon, okay? Because of this. Yeah. Yung iba, merong pagkikita or pagsasama uli, closeness and forgiveness na mangyayari. Okay? Nag-iisip yung iba kung babalikan pa ba or makakatanggap ng message or may gestures na gagawin yung someone, maybe an air sign, para lumapit sa inyo, okay? Makipagbate or makipag-ayos, something like that. Okay? Yung iba, there will be forgiveness, union. Okay? Yes. Happiness, contentment, and abundance in your home life. Okay? Merong togetherness and celebration na mangyayari with your loved ones or with your family or with someone in the relationship. Okay? Merong pag-aayos at togetherness. Yeah. Yeah. So, for some of you, mayroong meetings and planning na mangyayari about sa trabaho, pag-uusapan, nare-recognize ang inyong galing sa work, okay? Or pag-uusapan kung ano yung plans for you sa trabaho. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, mayroong discussion and planning in the relationship or sa pag-usap about that, and someone is disappointed or hindi kontento, okay, in the situation. Okay. Okay. So, Cancer, open your eyes also for the possibilities. You need to be discerned sa inyong mga decision making, most especially in your relationship. Okay. Yeah. You need also to be proactive. Whether sa work man to. Okay. Yeah. Merong pag-uusap na mangyayari, pero parang hindi ka satisfied or contented. You are longing for something better. Okay? That will really satisfy you emotionally. That will really make you happy. Okay? Truly happy. Na magbibigay sa inyo ng completeness, stability, okay? For some of you, this is a wedding, okay? There is discontentment, okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are hoping that someone will offer you or will come to you and will offer this completeness or marriage or something na, or proposal, okay? Yeah. But parang iba sa inyo, you are disappointed, you are not. Parang hindi ka masaya sa nangyayari sa inyo ngayon. Okay? Most especially in your relationship. Yeah. But sa work, you are doing well. Okay? You are recognized dahil sa magaling ka sa trabaho, sa inyong skills, sa inyong ginagawa, sa role mo. Okay? You have the creativity, you are original, you are creative. Okay, you have the willpower to succeed. Yeah. Okay. Cancer. Yeah. So, you need to move on, okay? Mentally, pagpahinga mo ang iyong isip. You need to go to a new chapter in your life. Cancer. Ace of Pentacles, new contracts, new employment, okay? Big money. A promise of abundance and money. New contracts, inflow of abundance. Okay? The Sun. Okay? May mga brilliant ideas ka na naiisip that will lead you to success. Okay? You will be awarded or rewarded because of this, or because of your galing. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, so you're moving on. You need to move on sa isang situation na parang hindi ka contented. Okay? Emotionally. Maybe in this, or maybe a relationship because of cups. Okay? Parang merong emotional or spiritual growth na nangyayari sa inyo na parang naiintindihan nyo na ngayon ang sitwasyon. And it is asking you to move forward. Okay? Move on. Cancer. Okay, tingnan natin from the Spirit Messages Oracle cards. Ano yung message for Cancer, please? Cancer. 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 Be true to yourself in all ways. Not everyone will get you. They can only understand from their level of perception, and that's on them. No matter what people say, don't ever doubt your worth or the beauty you hold within. Stand tall in your power. Yes. Okay. Stand tall in your power. Don't doubt yourself. Be confident. Okay. Be firm sa mga decision ninyo na gagawin. Okay? Be hopeful in your situation. Sa work, you are doing well. Okay? Be ambitious. Cancer, 222. If you are seeing this number 222, this is the message for you. Trust that the seeds of your thoughts are growing as you are nourishing them with words, feelings, and action. I am balanced. So you are balanced. Cancer, okay? Think about yourself. Balance your thoughts, your emotions. Okay? So, all the best sa inyo, Cancer. Maraming salamat and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!